The time now is 30 minutes past the hour of 10 in the evening, and there's no time difference between Manila, Philippines and Bali, Indonesia.
Hello, we're inside. Breakfast. Okay. Guava. Let's try this first. Cheers. Cheers. We just got our money, rupiahs, and look how thick this is. Thicker than me. Dude, we have millions here. We are on our first destination. This is ALOHA. We changed, outfit change. We got our flowy dresses on.
Ganda!
Yeah. Yeah, it's very good. Galing. You add this. Galing. Say galing.
Galing?
Galing. Yes, it means good.
Galing!
Very good. Cute. Our driver is there. Si Kuya. He's setting out the drone because we have drones now. Hair flip. Ito wala akong hair ngayon. So, the clouds are cooperating with us. So that's our drone, okay? Drone, it's airborne. It's so nice. Nakita nyo ba? It's there, oh. Yee! Okay, we are going to be featured in their Instagram. Yes, I'm gonna put the account here, maybe. Char.
Just gonna play with my emotions just because.
Small lang muna. Banana chips natin, but less sugar. Going. Hello, this is my food. Look how big it is.
They said this was enough for one person, but I doubt that.
I doubt. Sobrang laki ng sayo.
Bro.
Hello.
Si Kuya.
Say hi.
Hi.
What place is this again?
Gunung KAWI,
Oh, okay.
Temple.
He almost forgot.
I've been way too good to you, you take me for granted. You was my day one since back at Big B House on Idle.
Monkey forest.
And there's already one over there. It's chilling, scratching his butt.
Oy, oy. Pupunta siya sa'yo.
We met, I flagged you down, I told you in my line. Just to promise me you never switch on me like Gemini. Think I'm a fool, ain't nobody stole. I see all the signs, I see all the clues. Still sometimes I reminisce about that shit when I'm benching. Can't believe it's been a whole year, yeah, but
On some nights like this, daddy, I can't help but think of us. I've been reminiscing, sipping, missing you. Can you tell me what's with all this distant love? If I call, would you pick it up? On some nights.
let's vlog together. So what can you say about about the forest? Oh, okay. That's very informative. Yep, okay. Thank you. Thank you for your
time.
input. Okay. Bye. We're going to Ubud Market after this.
We're going shopping for
shopping. We're gonna go shopping.
This, I just wanna text you, but for what? You gon' say you want me, then go switch it up. Just gon' play with my emotions just because. No, you gon' get my hopes high.
One piece?
For 1 piece.
No, it's okay.
Yeah, okay lang.
You gon' get my hopes high, girl.